Hello everyone, this is Sumant. In this video, let's discuss how to install modules in Python. In the previous video, we have already discussed what are modules, what are built-in modules, and how to import those modules, and like how to create our custom modules and how to import those. So we have already discussed all those things. So if you didn't watch that video, I will give you the link for that video in the description. So there are a lot of modules in Python, right? Everything won't be available defaultly. So if you want some module, you want to install it. So let's understand how to install that modules. So for that, just search here as go and search Anaconda prompt and just right click and just run as administrator and just yes, then you will get the window like this. So if you want to install something, we're gonna do that using pip command. So pip is nothing but preferred install program. So before using this, like we are using this pip to install. Even if you want to use this pip, first we should install pip. So if you are using Python 3.4 and above, it will be available defaultly. Otherwise, if you are using some other version of Python, just try to install it. Just go and search in Google like install pip, and you can just install it. Pip is nothing but it is used to install and manage packages or modules written in Python. So that's the use of this pip. So let's understand what's this pip a bit more. I'm just giving pip help, give help here. You can see we got everything about this pip. So these are the commands we can use with pip. So install, download, uninstall, freeze, list, show, check, config. These are all the methods, and you can just go through and you can just check the explanation for those. So and even if you want to check individually about a particular command, you can even do that. So I'm just giving pip help, and here I'm just giving uninstall. Like I just want to know, if you want to just know a bit more about this command, you can just give pip help uninstall or whatever command you want. So you can see the explanation about that particular command uninstall. So you can just go through and you can just read that. So now let's understand how to install some module. So I want to install, so first before installing, so I'm just giving Python, and you can see the console. We got the Python console. Here I'm just giving import pandas. So you can see we got module not found error, like no module named pandas, right? So don't worry about this pandas. This is a tool which we're gonna use for data analysis. So our main agenda is to know how to install modules, right? Not what is pandas. So for that I'm not explaining about this. So for that, so here we got the error, right? No module in pandas. So I'm just quitting this console, and now I'm just using pip install pandas. I have given that. Now you can see it's just collecting. Now you can see that successfully installed pandas, right? Even if you want to install some particular version of pandas, you can just mention here like pip install pandas, and you can just give equal to, like you can just give equal to sign, and you can just mention whatever version you want, like whatever pandas version you want, you can just mention that. Even in that way you can just download. Now if I just give Python, and now if I just give the statement, now if I try to import pandas, you can see now I didn't get any error, right? That's how you're gonna install some modules in Python. Even if you want to uninstall something, like you can just do pip, right? Pip uninstall pandas. Just you can just give pip uninstall whatever you want. If you want to uninstall, just you can just give. You can see it will ask like yes or no. So if you want to install, like if you want to uninstall or not, I'm just giving Y and just enter. You can see it just successfully uninstalled pandas. So even you can use this way to uninstall something, uninstall some module. And if you want to know, like if you want to get what are all the modules which you have installed, you can just use pip list for that. So you can see, so these are all the modules which I have installed. If you want to check, this is the way you can check. You can just use pip list and you can check what are all the modules installed. If you want to install something, even you can just do that, like even in Jupyter Notebook you can just do that, right? So even I'm just giving pip install pandas. So you can see here successfully installed pandas. So even through Jupyter Notebook also you can just install. So that's all for this video. I hope you understood how to install modules using this pip command. Like if you feel this video is helpful, just like the video and thanks for watching.